Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the review series, brought to you by Prime Spaces. Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Doing a quick review for this modern style accent cabinet. And my initial reaction after assembling it is that this cabinet has a truly novel design to it. It's available in 3 colors, which are black, white, and this blue color here, which really pops and contrasts well with the black industrial inspired legs. And the cabinet highlights 4 clear glass double doors with gold accented knobs with 4 shelves inside, 2 of which are adjustable. Now, as for the assembly, it took me just about an hour and a half to complete, from unboxing to assembly, using an electric drill and following the instructions step by step. But the average person can expect anywhere between 2 and 3 hours for the assembly. This, of course, will vary depending on your skill set and the tools you use. Overall, I really like this modern accent cabinet and highly recommend it to anyone looking to add a unique accent piece to their living space. So go ahead, check it out, and happy shopping.